Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. So now I'm just turning over the dirt and removing any weeds in the process. And further down, remember in episode 1 of the backyard, I told you I plan on working harder. Well, at least I stayed true to my word. As I turn it over, I'm breaking up the big chunks of soil that I can see. All this so it'll be a little easier to level the dirt. Little ways to go. Not bad at all. It's just the weather, guys. Okay, I'm gonna stop complaining. But it's getting to me. Almost done, but it's getting dark. I won't be out here too much longer. Why am I posing like I'm a general looking at my army, like we just conquered some land? This was a war. Felt like a war. Dug it all up. It's all flipped, ready to go. That's going to be it for me, guys. Let's come back tomorrow. Now let's take a look-see. Okay, not bad. No weeds. Sorry, guys. Won't be doing anything today. I'm tired. My body needs to rest. I'm getting old. You know that. A few days have passed since we were last out here. It's early. I'm ready to work. Got the level out. Let's do it. I'll start with the 14 tine rake. Some time ago I told you have to love this part of it. It's a part of the process. And if you want great results, this is what you got to do. What do you guys think? So far, so good. I don't have all those special tools, but you can still get it done, as you can see. That's it for me, guys. Is it perfect? No. But it's better than what it was, and I can live with that. I gave it my all. Let's move on. Now it's time to get out the spray paint. I have an idea. I got this vision, guys. I got this vision. Wait until the final results. You're gonna love it. Ignore the spray paint. Ignore it. You guys know I can't draw like I used to, but trust me, this is gonna be great. It's gonna be great, but not $1 million worth of greatness. I can only give you what I got. I don't have $1 million. All I have is a vision, and whatever I got, I'll use. But trust me, it'll turn out very good. There's a reason why I took this edger from the right side and placed it over here, because I plan on putting a new one over there by the hydrangeas. This one will be second behind a new edger I plan on putting down. There's a method to my madness, somewhat of a science. So this is a new one. I went to the store, got a new one. This one is in front, so it makes sense, right? I don't need a new one in the back, just a new one in the front. All systems are go. At this point, I'm trying to curve the edges as best as I can. Will they be perfect? No, but I'm putting my all into it, and I'll live with the results. I think I'm ready to put landscape fabric down. I want to create a barrier so that weeds can't grow through the new addition. We're getting there. We're getting there. Again, be patient. Be patient. I don't know how it's going to end, but I'm sure you'll love it. Remember the pavers? Made a mistake, got to go back to the drawing board. The ground isn't quite leveled for the pavers. I have to come up with something. This is unacceptable. This is what I did. I removed all the pavers, got a 2x4 that was about 1 foot long, and leveled this area. Now everything is a-okay, like what I see. And yes, I put the landscape fabric back down. If you're going to do something, go all the way with it. No retreat. No surrender. The old man strikes back. This is what you want to see. You guys thought I was going to throw away my marble chips. You guys thought I was going to throw away my pavers. Are you serious? All I did was bring them together, combine them. Now look, wait till I get the water hose, rinse this stuff off. It's going to look amazing. Oh yeah, most definitely. I told you this season is about you guys. Anyway, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.